Hi there, Ann Hill here to show you how to cook hearty family meals that are quick and easy with Beyond Meat, a plant-based product that has no soy, no GMOs, and no cholesterol, but it does have 20 grams of protein. So it's healthy for you and it's healthy for the environment. If you like our family recipes, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and let's get started. So tonight we're going to make one of my all-time favorites, Salisbury steak. Yum. You can buy Beyond Meat frozen or thawed. I usually buy it frozen and thaw it overnight in the fridge before using. First, set your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 190 Celsius. Mix it up with a fork and just keep mushing it around until you get it evenly chopped. Now that you've got the Beyond Meat broken apart, you need to add 2 to 4 tablespoons of the mushroom soup before you put the water into the soup mixture for the gravy. Now that you've flavored the Beyond Meat mixture with mushroom soup, you add 1 cup of finely ground multigrain crackers. Now we begin to add our spices. First, I use a tablespoon of dried chopped garlic, then a tablespoon of chopped dried onion, and last, I use a tablespoon of chopped dried parsley. You can use these spices ground or chopped. Now that you've gotten your Beyond Meat all mixed together, it's time to form patties. So you'll roll it into a ball and then form it into an oval shape, because that's traditionally the Salisbury steak shape. And you get about 5 patties out of 1 package of Beyond Meat. So now we have 5 hearty-shaped oval patties for our Salisbury steak. We want to mix in a cup of water with the remainder of our mushroom soup so that we can pour it over our Salisbury steak and make a gravy for it to bake in. After we pour our mushroom soup gravy base over our Salisbury steaks, we'll pop it in the oven for about an hour at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. At the halfway point of baking, I like to flip the Beyond Meat Salisbury steak patties over for even cooking. After about an hour, take your Beyond Meat Salisbury steak patties out of the oven. I like to serve it up with mashed potatoes, brown sugar glazed carrots, and green beans for a family hearty, delicious meal that sticks to your ribs. Wait, put that fork down for a minute. Remember to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching. Here's to your health, and let's eat Beyond Meat.